YouTube, welcome back to a brand new episode of Money Mitch TV. It is your boy, nigga head Money Mitch. You see the box, let y'all get a good look at those specs, all that good stuff, color code. Yes, sir. Now, without further ado, let's get it, man.
Say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Got a hot down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meal, poker face.
So the thing we looking at today, fresh up out of business, is, oh man, how long have we been waiting for these guys right here? Okay. Check them out. Before I took a look at that box, we seen that price point was still at that 190. Now we got that out the way. What we actually came to look at is the Jordan Retro 4. Cool, great thing, man. Let me step back, get a good look thumbnail, all that. Now that we got that out the way, let's jump straight into it. So we have a Nubuck drip cool gray up on these guys. Netting is also in that cool gray. Those waffle lace eyelets are in a black. Laces are flat gray as well. Then jumping into that tongue, all that good stitching. Jumpman is in white. Flight is in yellow. These are cold, man. Leave your thoughts, comment, opinions below, man. Are you going after them? Did you catch the shot drop? Are you sleeping on them? Let your boy know something. Also, man, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Your boy is trying to reach that 1,000 subscribers, man. You see I'm coming with these videos, man, so fuck with me. Let's get it. Now taking a look at that other side on the shoe. We got that midsole, which is in white. That yellow, ooh, look at that air unit. Hints of that yellow throughout that air unit. Then moving along to that back end, we have a silver Jumpman. The rest of the back end is in that cool gray as well. You get a good look at them, reflect, shine, all that. Now dropping to that outsole on these things, we have a standard black outsole. Inside area of that pod is white. Jumpman is also yellow on the bottom, and then hints of yellow do seek out as well as white on that outsole of these guys. Midsole accents are in white, like I said as well, man. What y'all think about these? Y'all like them, sleeping on them? Let me know something. My opinion, man, these is dope, man. I've been waiting so long for these things to come back out, man. I'm very appreciative, very happy that these things finally came back out, man. You did, man. Just wanted to give y'all a good look. Cool gray Retro 4. Now I wish they would have threw that Nike Air on the back end. That would have just been so dope on these things. So also didn't show you Air Jordan is flipped upside down in yellow, stitched in on the inside of that tongue. QR, all that good stuff. You did. Hope y'all can see that, man. We also have a cool gray lining, which lines throughout that inside that tongue and the rest of the shoe, man. But I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, man. I want to give y'all a good in-depth look at them cool gray things, man. This is your boy, Sneakerhead Money Mitch. Like I said, man, drop a like, man. Sizzle up to the channel for your boy, man. And like your boy always tell you, man, make sure you like what you rock and rock what you like. Ching, gang, gang, man. I'm out.
Say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Got a hot down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on